Good morning, students. Today the date is May 2nd and the day is Saturday. I hope you all are well and safe at home. Students, today we will start chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Students, before starting the chapter, let us discuss the points to remember. The first definition is of polygon. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments only. For example, rectangle, triangle, square, all these are the examples of polygons. Next is the classification of polygons. These are classified according to the number of sides. If the number of sides is 3, then it is a triangle. For 4, it is a quadrilateral, and for the number of sides 5, it is a pentagon, and so on. I have written the table here. You can see the sample figures also. Next is a diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. The number of diagonals can be calculated by using the formula n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Next is regular and irregular polygons. A regular polygon is that whose all sides and angles are equal. For example, square, equilateral triangle. An irregular polygon is that whose all sides and angles are not equal. For example, rectangle, parallelogram, etc. Next is convex and concave polygons. Convex polygon is that whose diagonals lie in its interior, as we are drawing the diagonals of a rectangle, square, pentagon, etc. And a concave polygon is that whose diagonals lie in its exterior, as shown in the figure. Angle sum property of a polygon. The sum of angles of a polygon with number of sides n can be expressed as n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides. As we know, for n is equal to 3, a polygon is said to be a triangle. So the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, and if the number of sides is 4, then it is called a quadrilateral, and here we have calculated the sum of angles of a quadrilateral as 360 degree. In this way, by using this formula, we can calculate the sum of angles of a polygon with given number of sides. Next is exterior angle sum property. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon with number of sides n is equal to 360 degree. As I have taken the example of triangle here, the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. Next is quadrilaterals. A four-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. There are 6 kinds of quadrilateral. The first one is square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, and trapezium. Now let us discuss the properties. Firstly, we will discuss the properties of square. A square has all the sides equal. All angles are right angles, that is each angle is of 90 degree. The diagonals are equal and bisect each other. For rectangle, opposite sides are equal. All angles are right angles. The diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Next is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Opposite angles are equal. The sum of adjacent angles is supplementary, that is 180 degree. And for a rhombus, all sides are equal, diagonals bisect each other, opposite angles are equal, and the sum of the adjacent angles is supplementary. Next one is a kite. Two pairs of consecutive sides are equal. The diagonals are perpendicular to one another. One of the diagonal bisects the other diagonal. And for trapezium, there is a pair of parallel sides. Two sides are parallel and the diagonals bisect each other. It has four unequal sides.